Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss the sample question paper of French CBSE Board 2024-25. The link to download the paper is given in the description box of this video. If you want personal lessons in French, you can send us email. The email address is also given in the description box below. Here's the sample question paper, CBSE 24-25 of class 10. As you can see, time will be 3 hours and marks the written paper carries are 80. Section A, 10 points or 10 marks. Comprehension. In this comprehension section, you will be given a comprehension or an article, small article, to understand and answer the questions that follow. Regardez l'image. Look at the picture, image, et lisez le texte suivant and read the following text. So you see, a small picture will be given and then some text will follow that picture, and thereafter there will be questions to be answered by you. So in this sample question paper, this picture relates to stress, whether it is normal for human beings, for students. And the image shows that 49% des enfants seraient stressés. 49% of the children would be stressed, might be stressed. Principaux soucis de santé chez les enfants. The main health-related worries among the children. 12% anxiété de performance. 12% children are suffering from performance anxiety. 15% trouble d'insomnie. 15% are suffering from insomnia. They cannot sleep. 19% trouble anxieux. They are suffering worries. They are getting anxious. 31% des enfants ont déjà consulté un professionnel de la santé pour des problèmes de stress. For their stress problems, the children, 31% of the children have already consulted the doctor. So they have so much stress that they have to consult a doctor. Cause du stress. So what are the causes of such stress? Héréditaire, hereditary, plus environmental, environment, surroundings. They also cause stress. So principally major causes of stress are: one, hereditary, and second, surroundings, environment. Les examens font souvent peur. The exams often cause the fear. Certains étudiants n'arrivent pas à dormir toute la nuit avant les épreuves. Some of the students cannot sleep the entire night before the tests, before the exam. Mais c'est une période très importante pour réussir à l'école. But it is a very important period to succeed in the school. Bien sûr, il faut étudier. Yes, of course, they must study. Mais il est aussi crucial de mener une vie saine. It is also important, crucial, to lead a healthy life. For example, faire de l'exercice, to do exercise, se détendre, to relax oneself, bien dormir, to sleep well, et manger équilibré, and to have a balanced diet. Il ne faut jamais oublier de prendre ses repas et de bien dormir pour pouvoir réviser. And it should not be forgotten. It should never be forgotten to take one's food, one's meals, and to sleep well, to be able to revise. Si on ne mange pas assez, if you do not eat well, for example, somebody is suffering from anxiety and he is irregular in eating, having his meals, his or her meals. On se fatigue vite, then one gets tired very early. Very soon, one gets tired. On a du mal à se concentrer. We have difficulty to concentrate et à se souvenir des choses and to remember the things. Au petit déjeuner, in breakfast, il est recommandé de boire quelque chose. It is recommended to drink something the chaud, something hot or something cold, ou de froid. Either you should drink something cold or something hot pour se réhydrater, to rehydrate yourself, to keep yourself hydrated so that you do not feel tired and you do not feel lack of energy and hydration. So manger du pain, and it is necessary to eat some bread ou des céréales or some cereals, grains, pour avoir de l'énergie, to have some energy. De prendre du lait, it is also necessary to take some milk. Ou du yaourt, or to take some yogurt, etc. Pour avoir du calcium, to have some calcium and proteins. Et de manger un fruit frais, and to eat a fresh fruit ou boire du jus pour avoir des vitamines, or to drink some juice to have some vitamins. Il est important de profiter du moment des repas pour se détendre. It is important to take profit of, to have the lunchtime or the dinner time. Whenever it is dinner time or lunchtime, you must use them. That is, you should have your meals on time. Manger calmement. Don't worry about that. Don't get anxious about anything, it is very important to eat your food calmly, peacefully, with peace of mind. Et à des heures régulières and on regular times. Faire du yoga aide à se relaxer et à régler le stress. Doing yoga also helps in relaxing and regulating the stress, managing the stress. Partager ses sentiments, sharing one's sentiments, feelings avec ses parents et ses amis, with one's parents and friends. Cela peut aider énormément. It can help greatly à réduire le stress, to reduce the stress. So you have understood the paragraph or the article. As I said, you can download the sample question paper through the link given in the description below that video, that is on the CBSE website, and you will get this paper. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following questions. De au choix. De au choix, that is, you need not answer all the three questions. You can leave one. There are three questions you can see, A, B, C. So you have to attempt only two, A or B or A or C or whatever. D'après l'image, according to the image, nommez des soucis principaux, name or mention the main worries of health related worries, health related anxieties, chez les jeunes, in the young people, in the children. Or here you have internal choice, but the choice is not for all. It is only for the visually impaired students who cannot see the image. So first question is related to image, and the visually impaired students have the choice. Selon le texte, according to the text, comment se sentent les élèves qui ont peur des examens? According to the text, how do the children or the students feel? Those children or those students who have exam, fear of exam, peur des examens. So when they have fear of exam, how do they feel? We will have the questions, answers to these questions in a moment. Please try to answer these questions by pausing the video, and then you can match or you can take hint from the answers given or suggested. Que faut-il faire pour mener une vie saine? What should be done to manage a healthy life? Une vie saine, a healthy life without stress, that is. Qu'est-ce qui va nous arriver? What will happen to us si on ne mange pas assez? If we do not eat enough food because of anxiety, if we do not eat our food, enough food, we do not eat it on time, what will happen then? Dites vrai ou faux? Now, this is Vrai faux question, 3 marks. And you have to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. That means half marks each question. Selon l'image, 15% des jeunes sont stressés car ils n'arrivent pas à dormir. Vrai ou faux? Go through the article again and answer this question. And for visually impaired students only, d'après le texte, il est nécessaire que on prenne les repas régulièrement et dorme bien pour pouvoir réviser. Vrai ou faux? Certains élèves passent des nuits blanches parce qu'ils ont peur des professeurs. Some students keep awake. Passer des nuits blanches. This is an idiom. It means to keep awake, who cannot sleep. So they have to keep awake. Because of what? Is this the reason? Vrai ou faux? Next question. On doit faire des exercices de grammaire pour régler le stress. For managing the stress, we have to do grammar exercises. Is it given in the paragraph, in the article? Vrai ou faux? Il est important de manger des fruits pour avoir des vitamines. Vrai ou faux? Consommer du lait et du yaourt, cela nous donne du calcium et des céréales. Consuming milk and yogurt, it gives us calcium and cereals. Vrai ou faux? Il faut passer du temps avec sa famille et ses amis quand on se sent stressé. When we feel stressed, should we pass our time, spend some time with family and friends? Vrai ou faux? Okay, you will answer this question. In the next question, which is of 3 marks, trouvez dans le texte. 3 au choix. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are given, and you have to answer only 3. So you can leave 2 questions here. An adjective. You should find any adjective in the text given. Une conjonction, a conjunction, a joining word. Une expression qui veut dire, an expression which means il est suggéré, it is suggested. Un autre verbe pour se rappeler, another word for reminding oneself or recalling something. La forme verbale de réduction, the verbal or verb form of reduction. Let's look at the answers now. You have read this article and the answers possible, suggested answers can be like this. Répondez aux questions suivantes de au choix. As you see, 3 questions are given. ABC, and you will have to attempt 2 only. First question can be answered like, d'après l'image, des soucis principaux de santé sont. The health-related worries, major health-related worries are: first, l'anxiété de performance anxiety. Deux, les troubles d'insomnie, the sleeping troubles. Et trois, les troubles anxieux, the troubles of anxiety. And this internal choice is for visually impaired, which can be answered like, selon le texte, comment se sont les élèves qui ont peur des examens? So you can answer like, ils ont du mal à dormir la nuit avant. They have difficulty, avoir du mal. They feel difficulty, they have difficulty à dormir, to sleep, the previous night. So when the exam is before the exam day, they have difficulty in sleeping. Que faut-il faire pour mener une vie saine? What to do for leading a healthy life? Pour mener une vie saine, il faut faire de l'exercice, se détendre, bien dormir et manger équilibré. It is given in text. And C. Qu'est-ce qui va nous arriver si on ne mange pas assez? What will happen to us if we do not eat enough? The possible answer can be si on ne mange pas assez. If we do not eat enough, on se fatigue vite. We get tired soon. Puis on a du mal à se concentrer et à se souvenir des choses. And then you have difficulty in concentrating and recalling, remembering the things. Dit vrai ou faux? Next part of the question is vrai ou faux? Selon l'image, 15% des jeunes sont stressés car ils n'arrivent pas à dormir. C'est vrai? D'après le texte, for visually impaired students only, d'après le texte, il est nécessaire qu'on prenne les repas régulièrement et dorme bien pour pouvoir réviser. C'est aussi, it is also vrai. Next question. Certains élèves passent des nuits blanches parce qu'ils ont peur des professeurs. So this part is wrong. They do not have fear of professor, but they have fear of exam, not of the professors or the teachers. So it is faux. On doit faire des exercices de grammaire pour régler le stress. Stress cannot be managed through exercises of grammar. So it is faux. This fact is not given and it is faux. Il est important de manger des fruits pour avoir des vitamines. Yes, fruits give us vitamins. It is given. Vrai. Consommer du lait et du yaourt, cela nous donne du calcium et des céréales. Yes, see, up to calcium it was right, but it does not give us cereals, you know. Consuming the milk and yogurt, how can it give us cereals, grains? No, faux. Il faut passer du temps avec sa famille et ses amis Quand on se sent stressé, yes, it helps if we spend some time sharing our problem with friends and family. Yes, ouvrez. Trouvez dans le texte. You need to attempt only 3 questions out of 5 given. An adjective, for example, it can be importante. Une conjonction, it can be mais. Une expression qui veut dire il est suggéré, it can be il est recommandé. It is given in the text. Another verb pour se rappeler is se souvenir, given in the text. La forme verbale de réduction is réduire. All right. Section B, 20 marks. Section C, 30 marks, grammar. And section D, culture et civilisation, 20 points. The other sections will be dealt in the following videos. So stay connected, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.